Hey guys, it's John. Thanks for tuning in and checking out my video. If you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe at the end. Share it if you want. But I'm gonna be making videos like this all the time, just kind of weird stuff, you know, things like mainstream media might overlook. And today we're gonna be talking about strange sounds, the trumpet noises, the booms that have been reported across the world. I think these first reports started coming in 2011, I believe, but I mean it could be sooner or any later. I don't know, right around that time frame. Here's something I got off Newsweek, and it says strange booms have people wondering where these booms are coming from or what exactly is causing these booms. In November, people from Alabama, California, Idaho, Michigan, and New Jersey have reported similar sounds. Here's a tweet from Dylan Thomas. Lakewood PD confirms they received reports of loud booms, as well as CBS Denver viewers have messaged me saying they heard similar sounds in Longview, Brighton, and Lakewood. So far, no signs as to what caused them. All reports made roughly in the same time frame. Alright, and that's back in November. Here's the most recent stuff I've found on the internet, and it comes from Strange Sounds. Weird, I'm doing stuff on Strange Sounds. Strange Sounds finds this stuff. Okay, but strange sounds in the sky and mysterious booms reported in the USA, Canada, and the UK in January 2018, and nobody has an understanding as to what is actually going on. A loud boom shook a house in Puemo, Michigan on January 1st, 2018, just a little bit before 4 p.m. Reports came from all over northeast Ina County, from Carson City down to Westphalia, Lyons, and Murr. So far, there are no answers as to what caused these booms. Next one's from Canada, and this is January 2nd. There's really nothing on it, but here's a short video. Link in the description. Texas, January 8th, 2018. There was one in Texas, it was North Texas, around North Oak Cliff. A mysterious boom shook the area, and residents have no idea what it was or what exactly caused it. The boom was heard around 8:34 p.m. Some reported seeing a flash first, then a loud noise followed. And here's a video of that, but also before the video, there was another report in South Carolina in Aiken County on January 8th, but there was no earthquakes reported. Okay, now next one is January 15th. This was in the UK, and the sound was heard around Mearside, but most of the reports came from the vicinity of Walsey area. A resident reported, and I quote, "All of my neighbors were out of their houses trying to figure out what it was. They thought they had been an explosion." And link in the description. So guys, what on earth is all this booms and stuff? I mean, leave me a comment, be sure to like and subscribe, let me know what you think. Thank you.